Today I'm making direct script files. Welcome back to the dorms to the apartment. So first thing first, you go ahead and add your water. Don't ask me how I'm water. You got your penny noodles. Don't ask me how I put some salt in the edge of noodles. Y'all, why I add so many noodles? So then I go to see my film. Don't ask me what season you use whatever season you had. I wanted to make a jerk and it was a little spicy. I made it too spicy. I don't know why. So then I go ahead for my butter now and I go ahead and add my season and go ahead and do this. Make sure y'all cut up y'all vegetables. These are vegetables that I already had, so I ain't getting on the rest. And I don't know why I cut them so big. I don't know if I was cutting them so big, cut them so small. So then I the noodles got boiled. I don't know why I made so many noodles. Like I got a family to feed. It wasn't. It's only me. I be making cookies for a piece. Like so then I go ahead and add my garlic, my whipped cream. Don't ask me what to do. Just add it, season it up, add your jerk season if you want to make it more spicy. This and third, add your parmesan. Don't ask me what cheese add as many cheese as you want. So I add all the cheese, add everything that's in the cabinet. So then I go ahead and pour the noodles in. Y'all see how many noodles I made? I was like, oh my god, girl, do you have enough sauce? Did you have enough homemade sauce for the noodles that you got? Because it looked like you don't. Then I go ahead and add my shrimp, jerk shrimp, and it was so good, y'all. It was so good, so good. But then I go ahead and mix everything up, and this is how it turned out. I really like it, and it was a little spicy. It was a lot of spice. I kept having to drink my drink after it, but this is how it turned out. Y'all come in some more stuff that y'all want me to make. Y'all, I'm a little sick. That's why my voice sound a little, oh no, but this looks so tasty, so good. Like, yum, yum, yum. Thank you. See how I like moods.